That's interesting. There's no water coming up in there. Maybe there was a clog and it resolved itself. I mean, of course somebody does, huh? There we go. There we go. It's the sink. It's the sink. So it's not sewage. That is that's on the kitchen line. So this and the kitchen line tie in together. I could see it coming up. So this is just food. It's food scraps. Okay. Now the next question is there a clean out here? And I'd be willing to say, no ma'am. Well, I got the entire cable in, but it's stuck now. So, yeah, man, I don't know what I'm gonna do here. All right, I got it out, but yep. Let's see here. Should have just frickin' done it from the kitchen. Yep, still clogged, so. All right, there you go. This is the drain. This is the vent. You can't see it, but this comes down and there's a Y right here. And this drains this unit right here. But because you can't wet vent in the UPC, that's how they have it set up. Water drains, this vents it. So I'm gonna cut it, install another clean out. This is the one we did not that long ago. Same building. Same freaking building, but we did it down there. This has to be done, man. I don't know what's going on over here, but okay, let me go get the Sawzall and we'll knock this out. This one's bad. Dang. I might have to jet that. Got water right here. All right, same thing as last time. Street tee, which I find these hard to find, the street tees. The plumbing supply stores don't always have them. And but Charlie recommended that on YouTube, and it is much easier. All right, now we're gonna snake it. All right, I decided I'm not gonna hydrojet it because it's so close to the pool. And although I've hydrojetted area drains once and I got all this black junk out, it all went into the pool. Didn't seem to be that big of an issue. I told the owner before, and I was like, look, your pool's gonna get full of junk. He said, just go ahead and do it. Apparently it wasn't that big of a deal because of the chlorine, whatever. But the tenants at this building, dude, are just not cool, man. They'd be all complaining, why wasn't black stuff in the pool? What's going on? And the manager would call and have to say, okay, look, it's not that big of a deal. I just don't want to deal with it, dude. So I'm just going to snake it, all right? I'm just going to snake it. And I'll tell them that it needs to be hydrojetted, but if you want to hydrojet it, it's going to go in the pool. Okay, bye. That's crazy, man. Wow. I think I got it though. Let's check. Pretty sure I got it. Maybe not. Yeah. Yep, I got it. There's no movement anymore. Alright, I got all the chunks out. Oh. So now it should drain somewhat decently. Okay, I got it. Let me just say that I really don't think you would have been able to clear this drain without an exterior cleanup where you can stand up and fight the cable. I didn't show it on camera, but I was really fighting that cable, trying to get it to go down. And I don't think it would have been possible. I'm sure it's possible, but I think any normal person would have given up if they were trying to do it from the sink, from underneath the sink, I should say. Clean that up the best I could. I'm gonna have to get a professional cleaning lady over here to clean that. I don't have any chemicals on me or whatever to get all that grease and oil up. But it's been running for 10 minutes or so. And also, I don't think the hydrojet would have worked. I wouldn't have been able to get it to get past whatever was obstructing the drain. Because, dude, I was fighting that cable to get it to go down. Got stuck several times, started to get pissed, and that's why I didn't show it on camera, because I was just getting pissed. But, you know, hydrojetting doesn't always clear drains. It's not always the right option for clearing a drain. Definitely needed a cable that time. So, all right, I'm out of here.